Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw the Mandalorian plus Baby Yoda. So let's get started. Let's go first with the helmet. So from the top, draw the shape of the helmet from one side to the bottom, then up again, and complete with the line crossing all the way. Then create the thickness with a shape around the previous one. Do a square at the front. And now complete the line from one side to the other. A square shape to the side. Now finish the shape. Then and a triangular shape. And from the center, do 3 lines to each corner. The same from the other side, one tip, but only one line. Do the center shape from the helmet. At the level of the neck and complete with some extra lines. Fill the gap. And now let's go with the cape. Draw some lines at the front. Continue to one side. In this part, let's do the shoulder. Go to one point, then backwards. Draw an extra line and repeat the shape to create the arm. Go to the elbow. Now at this part, let's do the protector for the arm. Draw like 3 squares. Then for the hand, to the thumb, a circular shape for a device, 3 fingers, trim the fingers, now let's go with the chest armor. Start with the side. Leave a space at the center. Now at the bottom, create rectangular shapes to create the belt. Do the lines for the belt, then a square shape with some buttons and the accessories for our Mandalorian. Now let's finish the cape. From the elbow, draw a line crossing the body and go into a tip. Then go backwards to the same point at the elbow. Now we can complete the cape. Now let's go with the legs. Draw first the protectors. The knee. And now complete the leg. And the foot. Draw an horizontal line and complete the gap, and an extra line to create the thickness of the shoe. Let's go with the other foot. And now for the other arm, let's do it in a different angle. So in this case, it's pointing upwards. Draw first the shoulder, then the arm, for the arm protector, and then from there draw the thumb, one finger and a second one. Draw a circular shape for the weapon and complete the fingers. The third finger in the trigger, and from there do an extra shape. Now the tip of the gun. You can do rounded shapes, one square, then a narrow, and then the mirror. Add some extra lines to the arms and complete the elbow. Now let's go with our baby Yoda. Let's start with the eyes, going from one point, going up and down, and the same for the other one. Draw 2 circles in each eye. Now the eyebrows. From one point going up around the eyes. Then the cheek, going to the side, to the mouth, and to the other side. Now a line for the nose and the mouth. Now let's go with the ears. 3 lines behind the arm. Complete the head and the other ear. Going to the side, going to the cheek, and then add another line to create a thickness. Now let's go with the coat. Do some lines to the coat, keeping always the shape of the arms. Leave the space at the center, because here we are gonna make the frog. Draw the head of the frog. Two eyes. Small line. Now the hands of Baby Yoda. Finish the frog, the belly, one leg, the second leg, now let's go with the Baby Yoda cradle. So around it, draw some lines. Behind, repeat the shape to create a thickness, and now align the crossing all the way around our Baby Yoda. Finish at the arm, and be aware to not cross our frog. Finish any gap that you have. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!